Write the equation for the given figure. So this is a given figure. We have to express in terms of we have to express, or we have to write an expression in terms of unit step signal or ramp signal for the given figure. So first what we have to do is, if it is a step signal, we have to see what is the amplitude. If it is a ramp signal, we have to see what is the slope. So how to calculate the slope? For the given figure, here the magnitude is 3. Okay. So how to calculate the slope? We know that the slope formula m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay. So first, here the slope is 0. Okay. Here also slope 0. And here some slope is existing. Here also some slope. Rising slope, falling slope. Okay. So rising slope. How to calculate the slope? We have to first write down, this is a x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. The signal is starting from this point, ending at this point. Okay. So point P1 and point P2. So here point P1 is minus 1 comma 0 and point P2 is 0 comma 3. X1 value minus 1 by 0. Here x2 value 0, y value is 3, 0 comma 3. So this is x1 y1, x2 y2. So slope m is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So slope is 3. Okay, plus 3 I got. So this is because a rising slope I got plus 3. Okay. Next, for this falling slope we have to calculate m2. So this is m1. Next m2. So what are the points? From here, this is a starting point, this is the ending point. Starting point is 0 comma 3, ending point is 1 comma 0. That is x1 y1, x2 y2. So slope is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 minus 3. So because it is a falling slope, having the slope minus 3. Okay. Now we have to express this figure in terms of R of t, because this is a ramp signal. Before it is having the slope 0, now it is having the slope plus 3. And the slope is getting changed at a point minus 1. Okay. X of t is there, for example. And what is its advanced version? Advanced version is x of t plus 1. What is delayed version for x of t? Delayed version is x of t minus 1. Okay. So x of t plus 1 is nothing but advanced version, and this signal, advanced version means it is advances by this unit plus 1 units, or this is advanced by 1 unit. So this is advanced signal. It is existing at minus 1 and it is a ramp signal because the slope is getting changed from 0 to 3 at a point minus 1. Okay. So this slope minus this slope, 3 minus 0, 3 into what is, this is ramp signal R of t, but we are writing at minus 1. This is advanced version and advances by 1 unit. So this is R of t plus 1. Next, at this point, exactly at t is equal to 0, the slope is getting changed from plus 3 to minus 3. Okay, first it is changing from 0 to 3. Next it is changing from plus 3 to minus 3. Okay, at t is equal to 0. At t is equal to 0, the signal is nothing but R of t only. Its advanced version is R of t plus 1. R of t plus 1, like this. Okay. So at t is equal to 0, having the slope change, that's why we have to write down minus 3 minus 3. Minus 3 means minus 6. And I will write it as r of t because at t is equal to 0. Next, what is the slope change? Here it is 0. 0 minus of minus 3 is plus 3. Plus 3 into r of t minus 1. Because it is delayed version, I am writing it plus 1. Here if I am having plus 1, here you have to write minus 1. If I am having minus 1 here, you have to write here plus 1. And these are nothing but slope changes. This one minus this one. Minus 3 minus 3. Minus 6. 0 minus of minus 3. Plus 3. Okay. This is the expression in terms of r of t. In terms of r of t. And we may ask the question like this. You have to express the given figure in terms of u of t. Okay. The same expression can be written as 3 into t plus 1 into u of t plus 1 minus 6 t into u of t plus 3 into t minus 1 into u of t minus 1. Because we already know the relation between r of t and u of t. R of t can be integration of u of t. U of t means unit step signal. If I do the integration for 1, I'll get t. Okay. So I'll get t into u of t simply because it is a unit step signal. Unit step signal means it is having the magnitude 1. Anything if it is multiplied with 1, I'll get only t. So r of t can be replaced as t into u of t. If r of t plus 1 is there, it can be replaced with t plus 1 into u of t plus 1. So similarly, just I have replaced wherever I am having r with a t into u of t. R of t plus 1 into u of t plus 1. So this is a first problem. Next, just try this problem. Express given figure in terms of both r of t and u of t. Minus 2. This is minus 1, 0. Here we are having the magnitudes plus 3 and minus 3. This is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Express the given figure in terms of r of t and u of t. Okay.